Saturday, 16th of November, 2024, 3:38 in the morning. Night drive in Brunswick, or early morning drive. We're headed to the Sydney Linear Bridge. They light up, the way they are lit up is really neat. We've also ended up getting some pretty good pictures of the super full moon. We're going to see if we can get a horizontal one. We've gotten the vertical. We're going to get a horizontal if we can. We'll see if we can get it up here at the bridge, or at the park below the bridge. This will be a after cataract surgery night drive as well. I don't have any halos. I am just, so far I am tickled to death with my cataract surgery, both of them. Left eye they did for close up, right eye they did for distance. They do not normally do that. He said I've got astigmatism, and he didn't tell me which eye. I'm assuming the right eye. But he said that I had some of that near far going on in my eyes anyway, so that he did go ahead and okay me for the two different lenses, the standard lenses, but the different length lenses. And so far it's working out great. I can see clearly at distance and clearly close up. If I close one eye, if I close my left eye, I see, distance, but if I leave my left eye open, my distance is fuzzy. If I leave my right eye open, and close my left eye, my close is fuzzy. But the eyes seem to be working together, and the brain is interpolating it to where I can see both clearly. He said I should not need glasses, and that I've only need glasses if very small print, and that's what I have noticed so far as well. So I am just very pleased with my outcome. There's been a little bit, no pain, a little bit of irritation, a little bit of scratchiness, but the drops take care of it. He said that's normal. It feels like maybe an eyelash in your eye. I haven't had that with my left eye, but my right eye I am still getting a little bit of, it feels like I have an eyelash in the eye. But generally the drops will take care of that. Let's turn this around, see if we see anything inside here. Very little to nothing, huh? I think we have some good 360 instant 360 video coming across the Sydney Linear Bridge. We will probably head back to the Loves or the Quick Trip one and spend the rest of the evening. After the Flying J was fine, but a tractor, big truck, the tractor pulled in right next to us, and they leave the engines running all night. A lot of you people probably don't know. They leave those diesel trucks running all night, winter and summer. Heat in the winter, cool in the summer. They idle all night long. That is with the off-road lights. Big difference in it. And that again is with the dim. Just the dim. Yeah, before the cataract surgery, I had been losing my low light vision pretty quick. I said I had pretty clouded lenses. In one way, I wish I had checked out the laser cataract surgery, but I didn't. Didn't even know about it until after I'd already had the cataract surgery. Well, the paper plants smelled terrible. I guess you get used to it like chicken houses. Download the stuff on the computer and work on it, but I'm going to do that today. We'll probably come up here to the park and do that and see if this Insta360 video is any good. We'll try to start uploading some horizontal videos from the computer, from the GoPros and stuff this trip instead of just the phone. But we'll see how it comes out. Very little traffic at 3:45 in the morning. That over there is a Coast Guard facility at the Georgia Department of Natural Resources Coastal Headquarters. The bathrooms here at the park are closed from 7 to 7, but the park itself, because of a public boat ramp, I'm pretty sure is open all night. People night fish and all of that. And so I think these palm trees will be available for photography, and along with the moon. We'll see how it works out. And then we will upload this video. Yeah, like I say, I'm not getting halos with cars coming along. I was very pleased so far with the cataract surgery. I think the main thing is do what the doctor says. No lifting and, wearing your dark glasses. Follow their instructions and use the drops. And of course, not everyone will get the same results, but where'd that moon go? Somewhere. The moon's up there somewhere. Let's get back in here and we will see about getting some pictures of these palm trees. They look gorgeous, don't they? Absolutely wonderful. Little large whale, wonderful, wonderful. I couldn't stand that show.